Welcome to this explainer on Synconics Cannabis Management. Let's be real, the cannabis industry is incredibly complex and highly regulated, right? One wrong move and boom, you could lose an entire harvest. That's exactly why today we're looking at the comprehensive solution you see right here under the Synconics logo. Their philosophy is simple, but honestly, it's incredibly powerful. From seed to sale, one connected cannabis ERP. We're going to explore an end-to-end solution built specifically for the high-stakes demands of modern cannabis operations.
Okay, here is our roadmap for today. We'll be covering the Cannabis Challenge, key features and benefits, the connected workflow, target industries, and finally, why choose Synconics. Let's just dive right into this and see how this software connects every single operation, literally from the first seed all the way to final sales.
Section 1, the Cannabis Challenge.
So, what kind of problems do cannabis industries generally face? Seriously, ask yourself, how much time, capital, and compliance risk is currently tied up in your everyday tracking methods? We all know this industry is notoriously strict, and the stakes, they are absolutely astronomical. Even minor errors, like messing up a plant's weight or batch number, can trigger massive compliance fines, product holds, or even force you to destroy entire crops. The margin for error here is basically zero.
And the core issue usually boils down to this. Managing fragmented data across multiple disconnected spreadsheets is an absolute regulatory nightmare. Now, contrast that chaos with a connected operational workflow where every piece of data actually talks to the other. When your records are all disjointed, you're spending way more time chasing down data than you are actually growing your business.
Moving on to Section 2, key features and benefits. So how does the Synconics ERP actively solve this fragmentation? Well, the crucial advantage here is total unification. It brings together facility and license management, complete product traceability, and mobile barcode operations. Add in a dedicated compliance sync queue and end-to-end quality control, and suddenly you've got highly traceable records. There is absolutely zero isolated information. Every single module seamlessly informs the next.
All right, Section 3, the connected workflow. The best way to understand this power is to look at the practical, step-by-step process, starting straight from the soil. With cultivation management, you can track every single plant's growth phase, its current room, and harvest readiness in real time. You aren't just guessing where a batch is anymore. You have precise visibility, from a tiny little clone all the way to a full harvest. It entirely eliminates those tracking blind spots. And granular control over the growing environment is where this system really shines. Imagine a spider mite threat. We've all been there, right? You can meticulously log integrated pest management treatments, like specific foliar sprays. At the exact same time, you're monitoring environmental alerts for temperature and humidity deviations right from your dashboard. This makes sure the plants stay healthy and totally compliant without you having to cross-reference 5 different systems. When it's finally time to harvest, the system handles the heavy lifting. We're talking complex planning and component separation. It tracks vital metrics like your detailed harvest plans right alongside wet weight summary analytics. It even calculates moisture loss based on wet and dry weights automatically. That gives you perfect mass balance data and saves cultivators hours of error-prone manual math. A real game changer. Next up, your harvest batches move directly into manufacturing. Here, you manage processing batches like distillation, tracking extraction inputs, monitoring yields, and verifying equipment. This ensures that every single drop of product is carefully accounted for. And in extraction, where yields directly impact your bottom line, this level of strict verification is absolutely critical. Now, forget carrying messy paper clipboards into highly controlled, humid grow rooms. Actually, just throw the clipboards away. A mobile-friendly barcode interface allows your floor workers to scan a plant tag and instantly move, observe, record waste, or destroy plants directly from a mobile device. It totally streamlines floor operations and updates your central database the exact second an action happens. Quality is guaranteed by directly connecting your processing batches to lab samples. The lab API connectors maintain a super strict chain of custody. This removes the risk of human data entry errors completely, right up until a certificate of analysis, a COA, is officially approved. Plus, you can route these tests through internal or external labs entirely seamlessly. Throughout this whole process, every single action is logged. It tracks events for severity and syncs everything with state reporting to ensure total compliance. And this part is vital. If there's ever an internet hiccup or a sync error with a rigid state tracking system, the software automatically queues it for a retry.
so you never fall out of compliance just because you hit a bad Wi-Fi connection in a concrete facility.
On the revenue side, the CRM qualifies customers by actually verifying licenses and THC limits before allowing any cannabis sales order to progress. The Kanban pipeline tracks how a deal moves from lead to compliance approval. It literally prevents sales if a customer's license is expired. That physically protects your own license from being revoked over a simple, preventable sales oversight. How great is that? Now look, a product recall is an operator's worst nightmare. But if an issue ever arises, the recall module structures the entire recovery process. It steps seamlessly through issue investigation, affected lot genealogy, customer notification with an RMA, and finally, product disposition. It traces the complete genealogy from the mother plant all the way to the customer. It basically turns a regulatory crisis into a calm, manageable process that drastically minimizes your risk.
Section 4. Target industries.
With such a comprehensive and connected workflow, you might be wondering exactly what kind of businesses can leverage this ERP. Well, because the modules are so deeply connected, this software serves the entire supply chain. Whether you're a standalone cultivator getting your hands dirty in the soil, a processor, a high-tech testing laboratory, or a busy dispensary moving wholesale product, the interconnected modules mean the system scales exactly to your place in the supply chain.
Section 5. Why choose Synconics?
Ultimately, why should your operation choose Synconics Cannabis Management over other generic, out-of-the-box software? It comes down to purpose-built architecture. You get cannabis-specific workflows rather than clunky, generic workarounds. You get connected modules with zero isolated info and traceable product genealogy from the mother plant directly to the consumer. Combined with mobile-focused floor operations, this system is literally built to scale with your multi-facility growth and keep you audit-ready at all times. So, are you ready to ditch the fragmented spreadsheets and completely connect your operations? You can request a live demo today by emailing contact@synconics.com or calling or WhatsApping +91 942 68 64274. I'll leave you with this final thought to ponder. In an industry where a single compliance blind spot can cost you your license, your crops, and your livelihood, is good enough software really good enough anymore?